To promote the sustainable livelihood at Paham, Demdema in West Garo Hills, the Chief Minister, Conrad K. Sangma, on November 1st, distributing funds, livestock, interest-free loans, machines and toolkits to the beneficiaries, producer households across the district. The Chief Minister disbursed funds amounting Rs 9.77 lakhs was transferred under Focus Plus Farmers Welfare Program to 977 producer households, 1,800 piglets distributed to 450 beneficiaries, and Rs 1.40 lakhs was distributed to 4 youth groups under YES program. On this day, Rs 10,000 each free interest loan was allotted to 10 weavers and also distributed tailoring machines to 15 trainees of tribal attire and solar tool kits to 15 solar technician trainees.